Hey guys, let's take a look at this outdated bathroom. As you can see it, and I'm gonna show you basically step by step how this transformation went. Alright, so there we are basically seeing the bones of the house. There we start to put it together. Plumbing ready for a wall hanging toilet. There is the shower pan. Right there is the cement. There is the sluter for these heating floors. And in here you can see how we put it, this wire in there. That's for the floor heating system. Alright, there is ready to start tiling. There we go. There is the floor tile done. We have to just grout it and ready for the walls. There is the walls. We already have started this nice glass tile. There we are putting the grout. And you can see it, basically there is the finish. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy it. This is how it turned out. I think it came out really nice. Customer really happy. Please subscribe to our channel. We are going to be bringing a lot of value on this channel. I'm gonna do some more videos before and after, and I'm sure that I'm gonna get better on my English speaking. Thanks guys, stay tuned.